Hello everybody, I hope you are fit and fine. This is my first vlog and I am making this natural of sentence, natural of conversion. Here I am coming outside of my home and there is free place. Here are not uh, every person. Actually I am alone here and I am conversion this only me, only myself. This is here are beautiful weather and I am actually feeling better because they are fresh air and my backend my with my brother he's coming here and this name is Russell. He's actually YouTuber, most YouTuber. This her YouTube actually busy Russell. There is Mirror. It actually cannot properly say what is meaning here. Actually, I say they are writing busy Russell. He is her YouTube channel name is busy Russell.